Please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
A swimming pool makes a wonderful centerpiece for your outdoor lifestyle. Not only does it provide sport and fun recreation, it sets a tone that can be tranquil and relaxing, good for the soul. But pools require maintenance. Look at that ugly scum line that needs scrubbing. Then you would move on to tearing apart your filter and manually cleaning it, because the pressure has risen like it always does. These two tasks alone could take up a lot of your morning. Not fun, not relaxing. Many homeowners struggle with pool maintenance when they could be using a program that reduces the amount of work that they have to do on their pool. That's where natural chemistry Pool Perfect Total comes to help. Pool Perfect Total is designed to clean pools in 3 ways. Naturally based enzymes break down things such as sunscreens, non-living bather waste, hair products, and more that tend to cause cloudy or dull water, build up in the filter, and create unsightly scum lines. We've all heard of enzymes being used to clean a variety of things, from plumbing to facial peels, and that's because enzymes work hard to clean, so you don't have to. The second component of Pool Perfect Total is its ability to remove unwanted phosphate contamination. Phosphates can cause problems that increase the amount of time and effort needed to maintain a perfect pool. No one wants that, which is why we recommend removing problem-causing phosphates as part of any program. Pool Perfect Total uses advanced clarification to polish your pool water. It takes small particles that can make the surface of the pool look dull and makes them larger so they could easily be captured by the filter. Pool Perfect Total is a must-have for reducing pool maintenance while improving water quality. Perfect water with less work sounds like a great idea to me.
Thanks for watching.